Hi guys, welcome to our channel where we continue our building for Ford Transit high roof extended version 2016, and we are going to build it as our house on the wheels. Recently we did like small work here. We had a few rust spots across the van and also on the roof. So I use this rust converter as a treatment, and also I used wire brush to clean it out, then use this converter to leave it for like 1 hour-ish. Actually everything here on this based on the instruction. So now the metal is clean, now it's ready for the next logical step, and it will be painting. I have a white paint that matched the color of our van. It's official like Ford approved paint. I have a tape, I have my gloves and etc. So today the mission will be isolate spots that's supposed to be painted and paint them. Hello. So honestly, it's not so bad from a rust perspective, as it was a work duty van. We have only a few minor spots where we can see like original metal. So these spots could be potential dangers in the future, because it easily become a rusty spots, and especially if you put your floor and everything on top, you always need to make sure you treat all these potential issues. Treat them well. It's allow you to prevent any problems you can meet in future. In our case, for example, yeah, we have few rusty spots here, and also as they bring something heavy and put it back and forth, we can see a bare metal here. So as I mentioned, it was cleaned with white brush and then treated with a special rust treater, so it kill like oxygen layer here. It's special acid that actually clean everything on metal surface, and now we have clean metal surface that could be ready to paint. So we will isolate spots around. Actually here is not necessary, but we will paint all these bare metal spots. Yeah, that is why you don't need to clean it so much, because we will clean it on gas station anyway. So guys, we're done for today. We paint all problem spots across the van, also on the roof. Actually, it exists a second technique that you can buy a paint with anti-rust element in it, and you can use this paint directly. It also might work, and it should work, but I believe it will be helpful only if you have like a minor scratches, not to the bare metal, or it's like really not so, if it really doesn't look so heavy. So we use a bulletproof method that actually exists like many years. We treat our metal first, we sand our metal first, we treat it with anti-rust, and now we spray it with a paint. I believe we need the second layer of the coating, as we already done with this canister. I believe it's 227 grams, so it's not enough even for minor scratches as we have in our van. So we probably will buy another one just to, you know, make sure that all scratches already covered by paint. And then we will show you our next steps in next episode. So we'll be glad for your like. If you have a comment or question, feel free to leave it down below, and we will be helpful for your support of our project and our channel.